Hey, Dr. Jenn here. I want to continue a conversation that I put out there. And that is about space, about the spaciousness available to us. You know, when we think of time, we think of, well, some of the things that we can think of is we're busy, we've got a full schedule, we've got a lot going on, there's always something to do, we schedule all of these things and how we utilize our time, even when that time might be about relaxation or about being. But what if the spaciousness in time is how we view time? What if it's this idea that, or this belief that something can't be unfolding for us if we're not thinking about it, if we're not creating it or solving it or doing something with it? What if, even as I'm having this conversation with you, that there's something else unfolding within me, for me, within you, for you, that maybe has nothing to do with this conversation right now? And I say that partly because of a conversation that I had with a client this morning where there were things coming up for me to share with her, questions and information I know I was meant to and called to pass along. And as I was speaking to her, she was having like a similar train of thought. But yet, I hadn't yet had the conversation with her. But I'd almost say, with the way she described it, is that it was familiar as if she already heard it or already knew it. And because on some level she did. You know, there's an energy exchange, of course, that's constantly happening. You know, you think that right now there are people all around the world. There's information constantly being passed, whether it's through the internet, whether it's through cell phones or, text messages, phone calls. There's things that happen that don't require a direct physical connection, like in the form of wires, the way we used to talk on the phone, or fax machines because something was plugged in somewhere, because now we have, Wi-Fi. We've got things that are wireless, and that there can be multiple things that are happening, that can be happening instantaneously. But yet, for us, well, for many of us, I'm sure there are people who have already thought this, who have already asked these questions, but yet I'm asking them now for myself, but also for you who are listening. What's unfolding for us that is active, that is energetic, that is powerful, that is strong, that is intelligent, that's meant to be shared, that we haven't yet thought, but's available to us? Again, I'd love to know your thoughts.